Right, today we have a visitor. It's Mr.
Haushona. Nice to meet you.
It's from NIED. He's going to, he just came to observe how we used to do things here.
Yeah.
He's going to capture us a video. Just free to participate. It's just a normal, as we normally do it. It's not different. Right. Right. If we look back, we're looking at how to solve the equation, isn't it? Now, when we started with solving the equation, our topic was equation and then it means we are done with the equation, and then today we'll be looking at inequality. When you look at the equation, we say there are two expressions which are equal, isn't it? Now, what about inequality? Inequality is about what? Okay? Things which are not equal. Inequality means we are referring to, maybe let's say 2 is we are trying to compare two things and which are not equal. Or we can say two expressions which are not equal. Now, if they are not equal, what used to happen? If you are comparing two things and they are not equal, what should be? If we are comparing two things and those two things are not equal, then it means one of the things should be, okay? One of the things should be, one should be less than, and the other one should be. That means that's what you're talking about, inequality. If you are comparing things, one should be less, the other one should be. Now let's see. Let's look at the inequality sign. One is what? How do we write less than? The sign. Okay? Someone come and write for me the sign of less than. Right, very good. This is a sign as what? Less than. Then we also have what? Greater than. Now it will have to be like this, right? And also sign. And the other one is greater than or right, this one we're just reminding ourselves on the sign we can use on the words when things are not equal. But our main thing is we want to look at how to represent the inequality on a number line. We say the main one is the one we are going to look at. We want to look at how to represent the inequality on a number line. We say when it's inequality, we are trying to compare two things. Okay. Right now, this one we are going to compare x and our inequality is going to be comparing a variable x with a given number. For example, I will say for example, we have this one. How do we read that one? How can we read this one? How can we read that one? Mari? Sure. X is greater than 4. X is less than 4. We are comparing now the value of x and the number 4. Now it means x is x is representing numbers less than what? 4. Any number less than 4 is being represented by x. If I ask you to list, can we try to list? X is equal to number less than 4. From 4. From 4, number less than 4. 3. 1, 0, numbers less than 4. That's the sure. Clemens, eh? It's negative 1. Negative 2. From negative 2 we have negative 3, negative 4. Now it means x is representing all those numbers less than 4. Now we want to show this now. When you say we want to represent inequality on a number line, we want to show this inequality on a number line. Do we know a number line? Right. To show this one on a number line, what we are going to do is draw. First of all, we must find those numbers, like how we try to list. When we list it, these numbers are 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, S goes there. Now you drop your line now. This line is facing this side and it also goes that side. If we continue going this side, what type of number are we getting? If we are to go this side, what type of number are we getting? Between positive and negative number. This side we get what? Sure. To your right hand side, you find? To the left hand side, we find? Yes. Now it means we are going this side, isn't it? It's where we can get this number to the negative direction, isn't it? Now, what we are going to do is we are going to show an arrow where we can get numbers less than what? 4. How to get? Then we can say we can start with this number, it's not a problem. Well, if I said I can put my 4 here. Now, from 4, which side can I go to so that I can find this number? Which side? To the left. It means you are going to draw a cycle above this number, which is what? 4, above 4. Now, you need to show now, from 4 to which side should I go to, so that I can find numbers less than what? 4. Which side, which direction? Which direction? This side, that side. Eh? Where's your left hand side? This side. It means you have to show this direction. It means from 4, I must go to the left. Is where I can get numbers less than what? 4. It means we have represented this inequality on a number. Now you can decide to put 3 or 2. This. Then this one becomes what? The most important thing is the number you are given and what? The direction you can find. Next example. Right, we want to represent that inequality. X is what? How do we determine? End of it. X is greater than or equal to -6. Right, show this one on a number line. What we have to do is we try to list this number. Which are this number? Can we try to list this number which are greater than -6? Can we try to find this number which are greater than -6? Numbers bigger than -6. From -6. Now here, because we said it's greater than or equal to, it means -6 is also included. That's why we say or equal to. Okay. It means -6 is also part of those numbers. The first one is x is equal to -6 is included. Negative 7. Can we try to remind ourselves directed numbers? Negative numbers. Negative 7 and negative 6. Which one is greater? Negative 6. Now, negative 6. Which number is greater than negative 6?
Negative 5.
It's negative 5. Numbers greater than negative 6 from negative 5. Negative 4.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Negative 2 goes there. Then from there, after you find the numbers which are greater than negative 6. So when you come up with your which direction can I find this number? I have to go to which side? Is to the left or to the right? To the right. Then it means I have to go this side, isn't it? Then I can say this is negative 7, I'm not going this side. This is negative what? 6. I have to go. Then you have to draw where? A line above which number? This one. The one you are given. How to get? Yes. I have to draw a cycle above the given number which is negative 6. Then, because 6 is also included, because x is equal to, x is greater than or equal to 6, if 6 is also included, it means my cycle I must shade. Because 6 is part of those numbers. Then I show from here I must go this direction. Any question? No question?
Yes.
Any question? Before we move on to another, let's quickly, can we just on a piece of paper, we quickly try to before we continue to the next example, can we just quickly try to illustrate those inequalities on a number line? We'll translate them in our books. Let's quickly you can just write answers only. If you want to remember these things, we said crocodile opens its mouth when there's a big meat. This is the mouth. It means the number which will be here should be big. Then the number which is, it means this one, if you start from here, you read as less than, because this is the small number. This is the mouth where there's a big. If we have this one, this is the mouth of the crocodile. This number should be bigger than the what? The number should be. Then we read as greater than. We say the crocodile always open its mouth where there's big, so that we know that how to read that symbol.
It means include, Also, big number of right sides.
Right, are we all done? Can we?
X is greater than or equal not black and white because you're not equal. Like for example.
Can we go through? I can see some mistakes. We forget about direct number or a number line. When we have a number line like this one, if I draw next number from there going this side. Okay? One. This one? Right, we cannot say from 0 point right to negative 1, negative 2. Negative number should always from 0 to the what? To left. And then we cannot have negative this. Then we say this is 1, this is 2. Or, what I saw is, whenever we are going to the left, from 0 to the left, we find negative, and then we cannot say from the negative, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative, going to the right hand side. So because this side of Z is a negative, then I can start from negative 1, negative 2, negative 2, facing the right direction, on your right hand side direction. When we count positive number, when we doing the 1, when we start with positive number, we start with 0, 1, going to the right, isn't it? 2, 3, 4. Now, if we are here, we are going this side. We now, from 0, we first find negative. Negative. They just need to follow, like, go to the right. We don't change. We don't change. Going to the right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to the right. Now if we reach there, we are going to the left. That's -1, negative. We don't change. Now it's break time. We want it. Maybe to just illustrate that one, A is X. Right, what I also see is we don't know these symbols. We are forgetting about these symbols. I said a crocodile opening its mouth when there's what? Beat. It means when it opens its mouth to the side of what? X. Isn't it? It means X is representing number which is bigger than what? 5. What are these numbers? 5 is also included because it is greater than or equal. It means 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these ones are positive number. They are all what? Positive number. It means I have to go to the right hand side direction. When you draw your number line, it means I don't need to what? Negative number because all these are positive. Then I'm going this side. Okay, so this is what? 5. Then from here? 6. From here? 7. Now we have to draw the what? The cycle above what? 5. And then it says or equal to. Then I have to change. Now your arrow must show where can I find from 5. Where can I find 6, 7, 8? To which side? To which side? Right. Let me show that it's from 5 you go this direction. It's where you can find this number. We are showing us where to find this number. Maybe this one of the negative. It's X. Right, this one means, how do we read this one? X is greater than, smaller than negative 3. Which are these numbers smaller than negative 3? I have to go to where? Which side? Left. Because if you go to the right, you might find positive numbers which are bigger than all the negative numbers. Then it means I must find from negative 3. A number smaller than negative 3 is negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Now on your number line, it means you are going which side? Where do I find negative number? Which side? Left side. Then it means here I might put what? You can start negative 3. The one you are given negative 3. Now this one becomes negative 4. Because when you are going to you find the negative following each other. This is negative. This is negative 6. Then you draw a cycle above what? Negative 3. Now the direction where I can get negative 5, negative 6. Which direction? This side. Then you show us that from negative 3 you go to your left. This way you can find this number smaller than negative 3. Any question? Yeah? Now let's try to remind ourselves of this one. I can see you are having a problem with this. You must know this way he said, and the crocodile open its mouth where there's a beak. Then you know that if it opens its mouth to X, it means X is bigger than the given. If it opens its mouth that number, it means X is smaller than that given. Are we together? Right, it's time we'll continue tomorrow. I was having something to give you, but now we did not finish our lesson. Yes, we are going to finish tomorrow, then I'll give you a. Okay. Right, we meet tomorrow.